Hawaii is special. The air is warm, filled with the scent of tropical flowers. The water is clear, reflecting the vibrant hues of the sky. Beaches are everywhere, each one more beautiful than the last. You can feel the aloha spirit in every smile and every wave. Sunsets in Hawaii are amazing. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a canvas of colors. The sky turns pink and orange, blending into shades of purple and red. It's a sight that takes your breath away. The sun melts into the ocean, casting a golden glow over the water. It's beautiful to watch, a moment of pure serenity. The beaches are perfect, untouched and pristine. White sand stretches along the coast, soft and inviting under your feet. It's the perfect place to relax and unwind. Palm trees sway in the gentle breeze, their leaves rustling softly. The water is inviting, crystal clear and cool. Hawaii is a surfer's paradise. The waves are perfect for both beginners and experts. Big waves crash on the shore, creating a symphony of sound. It's a thrilling experience to watch. Surfers dance on the water, performing tricks with grace and skill. It's magical to see them in action. Learning to surf here is a dream come true. The instructors are patient and encouraging, making the experience unforgettable. Surfing is for everyone. Surfing can seem scary, but anyone can learn. It takes practice and patience. You'll fall, but that's okay. Getting back up is part of the fun. Start with a beginner lesson. You'll learn the basics on the sand first. Then, you'll take to the water with an instructor. They'll help you catch your first wave. Remember to relax and have fun. Surfing is about connecting with the ocean. It's about feeling the power of the waves, and it's about the joy of riding. More and more women are surfing. They are strong and skilled. They inspire others to try. Surfing is for everyone. Women like Carissa Moore and Keala Kennelly are amazing. They charge big waves and push the limits. They are true role models. Surfing is empowering for women. It builds confidence and strength. It connects you with nature, and it's a whole lot of fun. Surfing is an exhilarating sport that connects you with the ocean in a unique way. Whether you're looking for a new hobby or a thrilling adventure, this guide will help you take your first steps. Before you hit the waves, practice on the sand. This is crucial for building your confidence and understanding the basic movements. It might seem tedious, but it's an essential part of learning to surf. Lie on your surfboard, hands under your chest. This position is the foundation of your surfing stance. Make sure your body is centered on the board to maintain balance. Push up with your arms, like doing a push-up. This movement helps you transition from lying down to standing up. It's important to use your upper body strength to lift yourself smoothly. As you push up, bring one foot forward between your hands. Now you are standing. This is called the pop-up technique. It might take a few tries to get it right, but don't get discouraged. Keep practicing until it feels natural. Repetition is key to mastering the pop-up. The more you practice, the more fluid and automatic the movement will become. Your instructor will teach you how to paddle. Paddling is essential for catching waves and moving through the water efficiently. You'll lie on the surfboard and use your arms to move through the water. Proper paddling technique will help you conserve energy and position yourself correctly for catching waves. Once you're comfortable, It's time to catch a wave. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Start with smaller waves to build your confidence. Your instructor will help you get in the right position. They'll guide you on where to be and when to start paddling to catch the wave. They'll even give you a push. This extra boost can make all the difference in catching your first wave. Remember, every surfer started as a beginner, so enjoy the learning process and have fun. The ocean can be intimidating, especially for beginners. So start by getting comfortable in the shallows. Feel the water on your skin. Practice paddling your surfboard. Use your arms to propel yourself forward. Keep your core engaged for balance. When you're ready, follow your instructor beyond the breaking waves. It's called paddling out. It takes some effort, but it's worth it. Remember to breathe and stay relaxed. Enjoy the feeling of the ocean beneath you. You're on your way to catching your first wave. Popping up and riding. This is where all your practice and patience come together. When you feel the wave lift you, it's time to pop up. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Remember the practice on the sand? It's crucial now. Visualize the steps you practiced. Push up with your arms and bring your feet under you. This movement should be swift and smooth. Stand with your knees slightly bent, your body centered over the board. This stance helps you maintain balance. Look in the direction you want to go. Your eyes guide your body, so focus ahead. Feel the wave push you forward. Let the energy of the wave carry you. Don't worry if you don't stand up on your first try. Falling is part of the learning process. Keep practicing. Each attempt brings you closer to riding a wave. Persistence is key. The feeling of gliding on the water is incredible. It's a reward for your hard work and dedication. Embrace the challenge and celebrate your progress. Every small victory counts. Enjoy the journey and the thrill of surfing. In Hawaii, we say malama kai. It means to care for the ocean. The ocean is precious. We need to protect it. Always use reef-safe sunscreen. Chemicals in sunscreen can harm coral reefs. Choose a sunscreen that's good for you and the ocean. Never litter on the beach or in the water. Pick up any trash you see. Let's keep our beaches and oceans clean. By respecting the ocean, we ensure that future generations can enjoy surfing and its beauty. Surfing is more than just a sport. It's a way of life. It teaches you balance, patience, and respect for nature. When you're on a wave, you're completely in the moment. Your worries disappear. It's just you and the ocean. Surfing connects you with something bigger than yourself. It's a humbling experience that can change your perspective. Find your flow in the water. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the victories. Surfing is a gift. Learning to surf in Hawaii is an unforgettable experience. It's a chance to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace the challenge and believe in yourself. You are stronger than you think. Surfing teaches you that anything is possible. If you can ride a wave, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So what are you waiting for? Grab a board, catch a wave, and ride your dreams.